Hey, it's Jerad. So, what happens when you damage one of your expensive lenses? Well, I found that out and I feel rather fortunate because I've been a photographer for over 20 years and I've never damaged a piece of equipment to the point where it needed to be repaired. Yes, I've had scratches and stuff like that, blemishes on lenses and camera bodies. It's just gonna happen, but I've never damaged anything and had to replace it or send it in to get repaired. Now, Sony and Canon, Nikon, they all have pro services for photographers who want some extra coverage and also want services for things like repairs, cleanings, and stuff like that. And I've been a Sony Pro member for a number of years, but because I'm super careful, I use camera bags and camera equipment to protect all of my gear, I haven't really had to use Precision Camera, which is the company that does the repairs here in the US for Sony. So I thought I would unbox the lens that had some damage. I actually didn't damage it myself. It was damaged because I decided to put this lens in the checked luggage on my trip to Alaska with my son. And it was several weeks later when I went to use this lens and I was trying to attach it to my camera to take a picture of the moon, which meant I was going to attach it to a teleconverter and, just go through the process. And I could not get the thing to seat. And I realized that the lens mount had been smashed in and it was off just enough to where I couldn't mount the lens to the camera. So let's go ahead and open this up. We'll take a look at this repaired lens and I'll talk about the process and whether you should decide to purchase a new lens or repair a lens and all of that good stuff. So this box was in a larger box with a lot of packing material around it. I was really impressed with how much packaging was put in place just to make sure that this lens arrived back at its destination without any problems. Let's get this sucker opened and pull out the repair. So first of all, let's talk about which lens this is. This is the 100 to 400 G Master lens, the f4.5 to 5.6 with optical stabilization. And the repair on this lens was $770.32. You can see here that the majority of it was labor. $483.20 of it was labor and $287.12 in parts. And it shows all the different things that were included with this as I sent it in. Several things that being a Sony Pro member gets you. First of all, it's 20% off discount on all out-of-warranty repairs. This is an out-of-warranty repair. So 20% off, including the expedited service and the shipping costs, all of that together, more than covered probably a couple of years worth of Sony Pro membership. Now, Sony Pro membership also includes yearly cleanings and other things you could send your camera in. So they're going to provide you with an overnight label to send your camera or your lens to them for a cleaning or a repair. Then the process is that they will take care of that. If they don't need any parts or anything like that, it's expedited service. So you should get everything done within 48 hours or so, and then they're shipping it back to you. Now, in the meanwhile, if a cleaning or repair is going to take extra time, you can ask for a loaner and they'll ship out a loaner. So at the time that you're shipping out your repair, you're also getting a loaner and you get to use that at no additional cost. So that's additional added value on top of everything I've already talked about. So let's go ahead and pull out my lens. Everything is packaged again, just like the lens was essentially brand new. So with this particular lens, it's probably less common to have these things break. And so they did have to order some parts. The overall turnaround time on this was about 2.5 weeks, which is not common. And had I needed a replacement for this lens, they would have shipped me a loaner that I could have used. So the original damage was actually to the lens mount. This was smashed in somewhere around this side. And so it just wouldn't seat and tighten down on the camera because the body of the lens would hit the camera mount and it just wouldn't completely tighten down. And I was afraid too much pressure, I was going to hurt something. And seeing that everything was smashed in, I knew that there was problems and that I was going to have this lens repaired. Now, I was not super excited that it cost me $770 to replace this lens, but this is a very expensive lens and it would cost a lot more to have it replaced. And then, of course, while this lens was in for repair, they're going to go ahead and go through through it and do a complete cleaning so everything is clean as if it was brand new and the lens looks absolutely fantastic. So while none of us expect to damage any of our equipment, we definitely do need to care for it, have it cleaned, have it taken care of. And with the Sony Pro membership, you get those free cleanings. You could send in your camera body maybe during off-peak time, have it cleaned, have it come back. You won't even be without your camera for that long, and you get it back professionally cleaned. I know there are lots of videos and people talking about cleaning your own sensors and stuff like that. It's just not worth it when you can send it in and have it taken care of professionally in a clean environment by people who know what they're doing. One little scratch or blemish on your sensor or even a dead pixel is going to result in images that are unusable. And the repair on something like that is going to be far more expensive than the cost of the membership itself. So while I've been a Sony Pro member for a long time and haven't really utilized it that much, it comes in handy in situations like this where I need fast turnaround, which could be pretty expensive considering shipping costs these days. So for $100 a year, which I guarantee would have cost more in shipping to expedite this lens to Precision Camera and then pay for shipping back, I also get 24/7 phone support. If you're in New York or Los Angeles, you can actually walk in and hand deliver whatever you need cleaned or repaired. You get free equipment loans for repairs that are going to extend beyond 3 days. You get evaluation loans for the latest camera gear model. So you're thinking about purchasing something, and before you invest on it, you can contact them and say, hey, I would love to evaluate this camera or this new lens. Can you send it to me so that I can spend some time with it? You get complimentary cleanings and checkups on your equipment up to 3 times per membership year. Like I said before, you get 20% off on all repair costs that are out of warranty. You get 3 business day turnaround time and free expedited shipping to and from the repair facility. So this pro support that I'm talking about is available here in the US. I know that other countries have their own specific memberships or repair programs. So if you're not in the United States, I highly recommend searching to see what's available in your country. The only caveat is that you do have to apply for this. There is some criteria. First of all, you have to own 2 alpha full frame cameras and own a minimum of 3 Sony G Master lenses or Zeiss lenses. And you have to be self-employed or employed by a business that creates content, photos, video, whatever. But in all honesty, it was a very simple process. I just added some of the serial numbers for the equipment that I had into the Sony Alpha website, put in my business name, and I haven't been asked for any sort of verification otherwise. So I'll link to Sony's Pro services down in the description below. I'm not getting a kickback or anything for this. I just wanted to share my experience of having a repair done, being that it's the first repair that I've ever had done in over 20 years. If any of you watching has had past experience with Canon or Nikon's Pro services, I'd love for you to share that down in the comment section below. And moment of truth, let's go ahead and mount the camera on the lens. Lock it in nice and tight. Everything is great. Your lens or camera doesn't have to be broken to send it in. If you've got a completely worn out weather seal on one of your lenses, send it in and have it repaired. Yeah, it might cost you a little bit to have that fixed, but it's going to cost you a lot less than having a bunch of dust or water or something like that getting into your camera body. So repair doesn't necessarily mean that it has to be damaged or flat out broken. And we'll go ahead and take a picture. Oh yeah, there we go. Working just like it did before I decided to put it in my checked luggage, which I never do, and I will never do again. So that's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to click that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. We'll see you back in the next one. Take care.